Hello, welcome. In this video I will show you how to edit raindrop preset using Lightroom Mobile. Here are example photo before and after using this filter. To get free DNG, open the website linked below. Click on Portfolio. Scroll down to get your favorite DNG profile from the gallery. Open and download any picture. Import the downloaded image to Lightroom Mobile or PC. Copy and paste the settings. Video tutorial is available at the end of this video, so watch it till the end. So let's start editing. First go to Lights. Exposure to -0.08. Contrast to 11. Highlights to -12. Shadows to 71. Whites to 49. Blacks to -10. Go to curves, follow the steps. And done. Next go to colors. Temperature to 4. Vibrance to 40. Saturation to -6. And done. Next go to color grading. Go to shadows. Bring the hue to 174. And saturation to 13. Next go to mid-tones. Bring the hue to 138. And saturation to 5. Next go to highlights. Bring the hue to 209. And saturation to 14. And done. Now go to mix. Red. Saturation to 26. Luminance to 25. Next go to orange. Hue to -12. Saturation to 26. Next go to yellow, hue to -48. Saturation to -10. Next go to green, hue to -20. Saturation to -42. Luminance to 12. Next go to aqua. Saturation to 13. Luminance to -24. Next go to blue. Saturation to 20. Next go to effects. Texture to 13. Clarity to 44. Dehaze to 20. Vignette to -12. midpoint to 32. feather 280. And done. Next, go to Details, Sharpening to 20. Details to 26. Finish. Now let's try to copy the preset to another photo. Copy settings. Paste setting. To download DNG file, go to enhanceediting.info from link in the description. Go to Portfolio. Select the preset you need. Click on any picture and download it. Open Adobe Lightroom. Add your download photo. Preset will be added automatically in your downloaded picture. Then click on Copy setting and paste it on any of your own picture. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram, link in the description. See you in next video.